One sunny morning, Oliver spotted something new on the table. A strange box with bottles, colors, and bubbles. His whiskers twitched, his nose wiggled. Oliver knew it was time to investigate. Pop, swoosh. The air was filled with floating bubbles. Big ones, tiny ones, even double ones. Then it happened. A giant bubble began to grow, and it didn't stop. Oliver floated gently across the room, past the couch, over his food bowl, and even out the window. But every great adventure must come to an end. A little soggy, a lot excited, Oliver padded home, proud of his bubbly mission. The day Oliver learned, sometimes science is messy, but always full of wonder.